Samsung Corporation has developed and produced the core components of various home appliances, for example, MyCom controller, through technical cooperation with major companies in the country since establishment in 1987. Putting a huge amount of effort into the area of research and development in the meantime, we have productivity and technology skills in all fields of product planning, circuit design, and product design. And we now have our own 3 research institutes for technology. We have made extensive inroads into the market of physical curing machines to produce high-frequency and low-frequency stimulus, firmly establishing Samsung Med in the area of medical equipment. I would like to introduce each part's name and component of SM800P. It consists of ultrasound stand, ultrasound head, ultrasound gel, pad cable, suction cup, suction sponge, suction cable, power adapter, fixing cable, water spout cup. The name of each part consists of easily recognizable display screen of operating state, control panel that can select mode, knob for output set and change operation, output section of ultrasound, output section of pad, output section of suction. The key features of SM800P include: you can conveniently use an array of medical programs. 3 modes are available, each offering a series of 12 steps for a total of 36 easily accessible programs. You are able to experience various low-frequency stimuli using pads and suction depending on the location of pain, with available manual modes of beat, massage, and vibration. SM800P can use ultrasound stimulus for mitigating pain with low frequency too. In addition, SM800P has the ability to update its software through the PC and is easier to use with its large graphic LCD screen. SM800P can offer you opportunities to experience both low-frequency and ultrasound stimulus in one product. First, the effects of low-frequency stimulus are myalgia mitigation and recovery, promoting the circulation of the blood and a massage effect, preventing decline of protein components consisting of muscles, muscular physiologic activity and helping muscular development, promoting recovery, maintaining and promoting the smooth circulation of the blood and lymph. Especially, interferential current therapy of this instrument using medium frequency gives a less unpleasant feeling or pain to you due to the low resistance of skin. Conducts electricity well in the body because of consuming less energy. Is effective for the stimulus of the specific, deep, and wide regions. Is available for the stimulus of hyposthesia regions and metal body insertion regions. Second, the effects of ultrasound stimulus are pain mitigation, adjusting muscle state and relaxing subcutaneous fat by the minute vibration operation up to 1 million vibrations per second. Cleansing function, eliminating waste matter from skin by compression and inflation as ultrasound vibrations go through the corneum or waste matter of the skin pores. Promoting metabolism and normalizing the function of the blood vessels by hyperthermia in the skin. SM800P can use 3 methods according to the function. First, the use of pad stimulus mode is as follows. After connecting the pad cable to the pad output slot of the main unit, link the pad and stick 4 pads on the body to let a point of intersection become a point of stimulus. Now, the correct methods of stimulus adhesion. The crossing stimulus method, used in case of need of stimulus in the minimum part. The balance stimulus method, used when you need horizontal stimulus that stimulates parts like shoulders and back, which are wide. The vertical stimulus method, used when you need vertical stimulus, such as for an arm, a leg, or a belly. And also, the singular stimulus method, used for a minimal part where it is difficult to stick 4 pads. Select the mode button you want. as the mode becomes selected on the LCD screen and output current is 0 mA. Using the knob, increase the intensity of output current slowly. After pushing the time button, you set the operating time using the knob. When setup time is complete, the electronic sound will ring 10 times and you will enter stationary mode. Second, the use of suction stimulus mode is as follows. After connecting the suction cup to the suction cable, link the suction cable to the suction output section of the main unit back in order. Built into the cover inside of the suction cup is the suction sponge. Lightly squeeze the suction sponge to fully saturate it with water. After switching the power on, convert into suction mode by pushing the suction button on the control panel and choose the intensity of suction. Stick on the part you want to let a point of intersection of 4 suction cups become a point of stimulus. Select the mode button you want. As the mode becomes selected on the LCD screen and output current is 0 mA. Using the knob, increase the intensity of output current slowly. After pushing the time button, you set the operating time using the knob. When setup time is complete, the electronic sound will ring 10 times and you will enter stationary mode. Third, the use of stimulus mode using ultrasound head is as follows. Connect the ultrasound head cable to the ultrasound output section of the main unit back. Before using the ultrasound head, put gel on the part of the body that you want to stimulate. After switching the power on, convert into ultrasound mode by pushing the ultrasound button on the control panel and choose the intensity of ultrasound mode. As the ultrasound mode becomes selected on the LCD screen, start operation. After pushing the time button, you set up the operating time using the knob. Rub smoothly, contacting ultrasound head to the part where gel has been applied. At this time, you can use both low-frequency stimulus and ultrasound stimulus at the same time. When setup time is complete, the electronic sound will ring 10 times and you will enter stationary mode. After using it, clean waste matter from the ultrasound head and put it away. You can use it pushing each button of beat, massage, and vibration. A course change can be modified by pushing the course button. Change the change of medical time with the knob and push the time button when minute becomes selected. Change the intensity of output current with the knob and push the output button when milliamperes become selected. Change the speed of output alteration with the knob and push the speed button when speed becomes selected. Change the balance of AB output with the knob and push the balance button when balance becomes selected.